Namaskar, Khusro Bhitia, myself Jevin Dr. Pramila Kazla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today, our topic is infertility. Infertility is the inability to produce the offspring in females. It is inability to conceive a child by natural process or inability to carry pregnancy till the completion of term. Inability occurs due to various factors such as immature reproductive system, defective reproductive system, and endocrine disorders. Infertility in male causes decreased sperm count, oligospermia. Normal sperm count in male is about 100 to 150 million per ml of semen. Infertility occurs when the sperm count decreases below 20 million per ml of semen. Sperm count decreases because of distribution of seminiferous tubules or acute infections in testes. In some males, there is possibility of sterility, permanent inability to produce offspring because of absence of spermatogenesis, as in the case of cryptorchidism or underdeveloped testes. Abnormal sperm. Sometimes the sperm count may be normal, but the structure of sperm may be abnormal. The sperm may be without tail or non-motile or with two heads or with abnormal head. When a large number of abnormal sperm are produced, infertility occurs. Obstruction of reproductive duct. Obstruction of reproductive duct like vas deferens lead to infertility. Other disorders, cryptorchidism, trauma, mumps, long-term use of alcoholism, genetic disorder, hypothalamic disorders of pituitary, thyroid, and pancreas. Infertility in female causes abnormality of ovary. Sometimes a thick capsule develops around the ovaries and prevent ovulation. In some women, ovaries develop cyst, membrane sac containing fluid, or become fibrotic. In some conditions, maturation and release of hormone doesn't occur. Abnormalities of uterus. A type of endometrial tissue similar to uterine endometrium grow in pelvic cavity surrounding the uterus, fallopian tube, and ovaries. It is called endometriosis, and the pregnancy doesn't occur in this condition. In some cases, there is low-grade infection or inflammation or abnormal hormonal stimulation in the cervix. It leads to abnormal secretion of thick mucus in cervix, which prevent the entry of sperm and fertilization of hormone. Absence of ovulation. Ovulation doesn't occur in some females because of hyposecretion of gonadotrophic hormone. Quantities of this hormone are not sufficient enough to cause maturation of ovum or release of ovum. This cycle without ovulation is known as anovulatory cycle. Other disorders: diabetes mellitus, renal disease, liver disease, hypothalamic disorders, disorder of pituitary gland, thyroid, and adrenal gland. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my registration. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.